Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about motor insurance. It's one of those costs we can't avoid. It's probably one of the biggest ongoing costs we've got. So in my case, I've been driving for Uber for 2 years now. So when I first signed up, I got insured with Insure. Quoted me 1,800 for an annual policy, so we took that. Then the second year, the policy actually went down to 1,500. So I thought, this isn't too bad. I can cope with this. As we go along, it's coming down a bit. But then I got a shock. I got my renewal, and it was 3,300. So I thought, no way, that's it's too much. So I contacted Insure. Said, is there anything you do on price? It's a bit dear, this. They basically won't budge on price. They weren't interested. So I thought, well, we'll see if anybody else can do a cheaper quote. So I shopped around, and the absolute cheapest I could find this year was with Zego, and that's the Zego Sense policy, where you have to have an app on your phone, which basically acts like a bit like a black box or telematics box. So what that does, it monitors your, let's have a look here, it monitors your acceleration, your braking, your cornering, and on the latest app update, it did actually say that they now monitor the speed as well. So your driver score is out of 100, and they basically measure that ongoing as you're driving every day. And then when it comes to renewal, if your driving score's been quite good or it's good at renewal, you're going to get a discount. So I got quoted to just over 2,300. So there's £300 discount on that for having the app, and then I paid it all in full. So I got probably about another 300 quid I've saved in interest, because I don't want to be paying any interest. So I saved 600 quid there. Now I drive quite steady anyway. I've had in my previous jobs company cars that had telematics boxes in them, and my score's always been quite high. So yeah, so we thought we'd give it a try. I was a bit worried about having the telematics app on my phone, but you all know driver Matty over in Liverpool. He's a good lad, he's driver Matty, and he's had the Zego Sense, and he said, no, it's fine, don't worry about it, just runs in background, don't really zap any power and what have you. So we've gone with it. So when you go into the app, you're first presented with your dashboard screen, which has your score, which mine currently is 89 out of 100. And you get your renewal forecast, and then your driver score trend. So I'll just put that up on the screen now so you can see that. So that's the home screen on the app when you go in. So we'll click on renewal forecast. So on there now, obviously I'm not renewing till next year, but if I was to renew now with that score, 89 out of 100, it's telling me that I would save at renewal 11%. And if I improve by just one up to, is it 90 out of 100, then I'm going to get 14% off. So it's good money off, is that. So hopefully when I renew, it should be a lot cheaper. So I'll just put that screen on there now, so it gives you your renewal forecast. So that's the renewal forecast screen there. Another thing on the dashboard, so you can click on driver score trend, and that basically it updates your score every day. So I think it updates it after midnight. So if you drive like on a Monday, you'll see Monday's score Tuesday morning. So we'll have a look on there. So I started off, the first time I was using it, started on 87, then I scored 87 again, 88, 88, 88, 88, and then yesterday, Tuesday, I've scored 89, so I've gone up a little bit. So we'll just put that up on the screen as well now, so you can see how easy it is to go into the app and look at that. So that's your driver score trend. Also, if you scroll further down on the dashboard, you'll see how it says we work out your score. So you've got acceleration, braking and cornering. So it shows you on there which ones, you know, you might need a little improvement. So on mine, acceleration, it's saying it could do with a bit of improvement. So it's obviously detected some harsh acceleration there, which, to be honest, the area I work, there's a roundabout, and it's a notorious roundabout, Ings Road roundabout in Wakefield. You've got to literally, you have to put your foot down to get across, because there's cars coming fast from all directions. If you don't put your foot down, you can't get across. So I suspect that's why acceleration is constantly roughly like 3/4 on there. Braking, that's showing good. So, you know, if you, as long as you're not harsh braking, nice and gentle, cornering nice and gentle as well, you'll get scores on there, improvement. And then they've now said they've added speed, but I haven't seen anything come on speed yet. But I think it said something about it only shows you if it thinks you're not adhering to speed limits and what have you. So that's that. So yeah, we're going to try it for this year, and hopefully we might stay with them next year if the renewal price is okay. It should in theory be cheaper than all the rest, because you get your discount for having this. Another thing as well is I've got a referral code. So any new drivers, you got your policy coming up for renewal, give them a go. Zego, you might even find they are actually the cheapest with the Zego Sense app. But also, if you use my referral code, which I'm going to put in the comments, you will get an extra, I think it's £50 off. So any referral, you'll get £50 off, and then I get £50 as well off Zego. So that's not to be sniffed at either. So yeah, I'll put that link in the comments for the referral. Well, that's it for this video. So I hope you found it useful, and yeah, give Zego a try. You never know, it might be the cheapest. Okay, I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Thank you.